Good morning, students. Welcome to the E-class. I am Mitashi Arora, your general knowledge teacher. Hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to revise lesson number 1, 2, and 3 of your general knowledge book. So let's get started. My dear students, do you know what are good habits? Good habits are those habits that we must inculcate in our lives that help us in improving our personality. A person with good habits get respect from all. Let us now discuss some of the good habits. First one is brushing our teeth twice a day. We must brush our teeth once in the morning and then before going to the bed. Second one is trimming our nails. We should keep our nails short. We should trim our nails regularly. Then the third one is taking a bath daily. We must take a bath regularly. Okay? And then the fourth one is washing our hands before and after eating food. We usually wash our hands after eating food, but make it a habit to wash hands before eating food. Now, we must always eat healthy food. Then the next one is wearing clean clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Then the next one is going to bed on time and waking up early in the morning. These are some of the good habits. We must try to inculcate these good habits in our daily life. Okay? Now, do you know that people with good habits make a lot of friends? Good habits help us to stay fit and healthy. Now, let us discuss lesson number 1 of your general knowledge book. Turn to page number 5. You have to put a tick for the good habits and cross for the things that you should not do. Do you understand the question? Yes. So the first question is reading while lying down on bed. What do you think? Is it a good habit? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It is not a good habit. Second question, to take a bath regularly. Yes, it is a good habit. We should take a bath regularly on a daily basis and wear clean clothes after taking a bath. Then the third one is entering the house with dirty shoes. No, we should not enter into our houses with dirty shoes. Then what happens if we enter our house with dirty shoes? It makes our house dirty, right? The fourth question is to comb and oil hair properly. Yes, it is a good habit. Fifth one is eat while lying down on bed. No, we should not eat while lying down. We must always sit on a chair while eating. Then sixth one is to pack school bag the night before. Yes, it is a good habit. We must pack our bag the night before. Then the seventh one is wear clean clothes. Yes, it is a good habit. We must always wear clean clothes. After taking a bath, we should give our dirty clothes to Mama so that she can wash our clothes. Then the eighth one is reading the book at least a foot away from our eyes. Yes, it is a good habit. We should maintain necessary distance. Then the ninth one is exercise daily early in the morning. Yes, we must exercise daily as exercising keeps our body fit. Let's revise lesson number 2 now. Turn to page number 6. The name of the chapter is Good Food Habits. You have to put a tick for the good food habits and cross the things that we should avoid. So the first question is to wash fruits before eating. Yes, we should wash fruits before eating. Second question is spilling food while eating. It is a bad habit. We should avoid spilling food while eating. Then the third question is to eat unhygienic food from vendors. We should avoid eating unhygienic food from vendors. Then the next one is to eat junk food. It is a bad habit. We should avoid eating junk food like burgers, chocolates, noodles. Then the fifth one is to drink milk daily. Yes, it is a good food habit. We should drink milk daily. Sixth one is to talk while eating. No, we should not talk while eating. We should avoid talking while eating. Then the seventh one is to take more food than required. It is a bad food habit. We should not take more food than required. If after finishing the food on your plate, you still feel hungry, you can take some more food. We should try to finish all the food on our plate. We should avoid wasting food. Then the eighth one is to lick your fingers while eating. No, it is a bad habit. We should not lick our fingers after eating food. Then the last one is to wash our hands before eating. Yes, we should wash our hands before eating food. We usually wash our hands after eating food, but make sure you all wash your hands before eating food. Okay? These were some of the good habits. Try to inculcate them in your daily routine. Let us now revise lesson number 3. Healthy food. Turn to page number 7. Given below are some food items. Tick the healthy diet and cross the unhealthy diet. As you can see, the first picture is of eggs. Eggs are a healthy food item. Eggs give us proteins. Now the second picture is of an ice cream. An ice cream is an unhealthy diet. Third picture is of vegetables. Vegetables are a healthy food item. The fourth picture is of a chocolate. Chocolate is an unhealthy food item. Fifth picture is of noodles. Noodles is a junk food. We should avoid eating noodles. It is an unhealthy diet. Next picture is of juice. Juice is a healthy food item. Next one is burger. Burger is a junk food. We should avoid eating burgers. Next one is samosa. We should avoid eating samosas. Next one is chapati. We should eat chapati. It is a healthy food item. Next one is milk. We should drink milk daily. Next one is fruits. We should eat fruits. It is a healthy diet. Next one is pizza. Pizza is not a healthy food item. It is an unhealthy diet. I hope all the 3 chapters are clear to you now. Take out your general knowledge notebook. Write today's date. After writing the date, write revision test, chapter 1, 2 and 3, and then write question A. In question A, you have to put a tick for the good habits and cross for the things that we should not do. First one is to pack school bag the night before. Second one, to comb and oil hair properly. Third one, eat while lying down on the bed. Fourth one, enter the house with dirty shoes. Fifth one, wear clean clothes. Sixth one, reading while lying on the bed. After completing this question, do question B. In question B, you have to put a tick for the good food habits and a cross for the things that we should avoid doing. First one is to wash fruits before eating. Second one is spilling food while eating. Third one is to lick your fingers while eating food. Fourth one is to take more food than required. Fifth one is to drink milk daily. Sixth one is to eat junk food. After completing question B, do question C. In question C, there are certain food items. You have to put a tick for healthy food items and a cross for unhealthy food items. So the first one is eggs. Second one, ice creams. Third, chocolates. Fourth, milk. Fifth, fruits. Sixth, pizza. Seventh, chapati. Eighth, samosa. Ninth, vegetables. 10th, noodles. You have to complete this work in your notebook. Children, I shall see you in the next video now. Stay safe. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.